Let's dive into this explainer and turn your awkward Thai translations into pure expressive magic. Direct word-for-word translation totally kills the vibe. It creates a robotic tone that leaves locals completely baffled. Literally translating "you make me sad" sounds wild. They might think you're ordering cold salad salary. The fix? Our secret weapon? Tham. It guarantees an instant upgrade to soap opera level fluency. Check out this table. Thai pronunciation is super similar to the Mandarin tun hai, meaning chatting happily. Time for an acting test. Let's hit 3 dynamic, exaggerated, emotional situations to lock this in. First up, pure joy. Vibe to the music and exclaim that the song Tham Hai made you happy. Next, total shock. Dramatically slip and yell that the rain thumb high the road wet. Finally, tragic heartbreak. Clutch your chest like a dramatic hero, crying that they "tham high you, sad." Master just this one word, and you instantly unlock an entire combo of deeply emotional phrases. But wait, here comes the boss fight. Don't crash and burn by confusing similar Thai words. This contrast is crucial. Tham hai links cause and effect, while hai just means to give. Beating that boss unlocks our ultimate prize, a beautifully simple, foolproof formula for Thai causation. Just follow these 4 easy steps. Cause plus tham hai plus the target plus the result. Notice how perfectly those song and rain examples plug right into this exact logical structure? So, language master, what tham hai you happy right now? Drop your formula in the comments.